Do you have any coatings on your windows? Is this how water normally is on your windows? What if I tell you it can be better? What if I tell you the water can just flow nicely off your windows? What if I tell you that we have the Windows coating package on it? Today we are here to introduce to you the products that we use for our Windows camera. This is the product that we have always used. It's the 𝐶hemicalGuys Hydro View from the 𝐶hemicalGuys Hydro series. We have used it for our coating packages and also the maintenance wash packages that we have. The maintenance wash packages, we will usually wash the car, we'll add a layer of coating for our customers, and we usually use this. Now, don't underestimate this small spray bottle. The Hydro View actually offers a lot of value that's often underestimated. This is a product that you might be interested in. This is the 𝐂𝐻𝐃𝐄. It's a common Windows coating applicator that you can see very often in petrol kiosks in areas. We have saw this and got it at the recent Cars Expo event. Now, a lot of customers do ask us what's the difference between this product and the coating products that we have. And today we're going to try it out on this windscreen over here. Last but not least, we have our IGL coatings, the Windows coating. They call it the EcoCode Window. Now, this coating is a dual layered Windows coating that is exclusive for our Windows polishing package. For those of you that may know, the graphene coating packages and the ceramic coating packages do not include Windows coating, and this is available as an add-on. Now, for add-ons, we usually like to offer our customers a premium product, which is why we are using this, the dual layered coating. Compared to the Hydro View, it's similar to a difference between our graphene coatings and our ceramic coatings. The graphene coatings such as our Quartz Plus and our Kenzo are dual layered, while our entry-level packages such as the 𝐒𝐍𝐑𝐄𝐿 and the ceramic coating packages that we have are single layered. Now today we are here to test out the difference between these three coatings. We're going to polish off the contaminants on this windscreen itself using this, our SONAX Profiline glass polish. Now the SONAX Profiline has a lot of products and it's specifically made for detailers like us, and we are simply in love with it. This glass polish itself has a lot of concentrated cereal oxide that helps us to remove most of the contaminants easily off windscreens, off glass surfaces, off window surfaces. We have previously talked about it in our video. If you are interested, you can go and check it out. Now at Supreme Shine, we believe in using the best products available on the market, which is why you see a lot of big names, a lot of branded names like 𝐶hemicalGuys and 𝐂𝐿𝐴𝐴𝑠. These two are the ones that we swear by and we believe in. The amount of research and resources that are dedicated to the R&D department of these two companies is simply tremendous. That we believe their products do speak of quality, they do carry their weight. In this day and age, we as car enthusiasts and detailers, we are spoiled for choices. There are plenty of brands in the market for us to choose from. But we chose to go with these two brands simply because they have products that are specifically made for each step of the detailing process. We believe that this provides us with answers to the problems that we have when we come across in detailing. And while we believe there's no one best brand, we do believe in the history and the research that's gone into these two brands itself. Well, without much further ado, let's proceed to try on the three different coatings that we have on the windscreen. Now that we have coated the windscreen, let's have a look at the difference between the three panels. Now over there at the far end is the Hydro View coated panel. This in the middle is the bare panel, and over here with the 𝐂𝐻𝐃𝐄 coated panel. Let's see the difference between a bare panel and the 𝐂𝐻𝐃 coated panel. Notice how the water sticks onto the bare panel over here, while the water is actually falling off the 𝐂𝐻𝐃 coated panel over here. Now let's head over to the other side. Now look at how fast the water just beads away from this panel as compared to that panel, where the water is still over there as a layer of water slowly dissipating. Now we're going to remove the tapes. We're going to polish the entire windscreen one more time to remove all the existing coating. We're going to coat the entire thing with our IGL coatings EcoCode windows. See how fast the water is beading away from the panel as compared to the 𝐂𝐻𝐃 and the Hydro View panel that we had just now. Look at the minimal water retention in the screen
almost as if there's almost no water on the windscreen itself. This part that I'm touching is still dry. Now take note that this car is currently stationary. Now imagine the car is moving, you're driving it. Effectively, there's almost no chance for any water to stay on the windscreen. So I would like to say that there's almost no need for the wipers. Now this is, I believe, what all car owners will want when you have a windows coating on your windows.
If you want your windows to look like this, you want your windows to repel water like this, feel free to drop us a message at our social media or comment down below to find out more about our glass polishing packages. Having your windows coated does lead to a better quality of life experience when you're driving, and personally as detailers, we also enjoy giving the windscreen a clear look, removing the oil film and making sure they can get the best 100% vision you can get when driving your ride. That's all for this week's video. Thanks for watching, and once again this is brought to you by Supreme Shine.